That was a mistake, and I'm grateful for every path engihambe kuyona kwi-journey yami mhlampe yomshado, I must say, and I can still choose to marry ubaba Mseleku tomorrow if I have to get married again, as far as ukuthi monogamous marriage or polygamous marriage, because it's the only marriage that I know, it's the only setup that I know. I cannot speak about something engingayazi, so ingakho nakusasa ngingachoose isithembu and one will be like, you'll be crazy, but it's the only setup that I know, unfortunately, and I'm not even longing ukwazi enye setup. I'd rather be single. So asekho isigqibo engibone engathi ngingashintsha. I will do it all over again.
My mind is racing.
I know.
my heart, a lot is going on in my mind. I have so many questions, and I'm not gonna hold them back because you're right in front of me. I'm not gonna hold them back. You just said right now. I'm saying this because SABC Nizoxolela, we cannot reference to this. I'm saying this because I just watched the latest, the last 2 episodes.
Mm-hmm.
And you just said now, if you were given a chance again, I want to be sure that
yeah.
If you were given a chance again,
yeah,
to remake the decisions that you've made,
yeah,
you would still get married as Tenjini.
because it wasn't a mistake.
You would still get married,
yeah,
specifically Nobaba Mseleku.
Yes.
Because you have absolutely no regrets.
I don't. Abongile, asikwazi ukubalekela into yabo, like I said maqala ukuthi I don't think khona enye into engangikwazi ukubaleka ngifike kuyona, no matter i-situation injani, kodwa ngangivele kuyiyona muntu uNkulunkulu angibekele yena ukuthi ngimshade. Angifuni ukukhuluma nganoma yini omunye umuntu ayicabangayo. Ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi noma bengingafuna ukwenza differently, I believe bengeke kwenzeke, because kwakumele ukuthi indlela yami ibe kanje. This is my journey, this is my story. If besingaxoxwanga besingeke sibe khona. So if bengashadanga bengeke kube nje, if bengazange ngishade noMseleku, konke lokho othi ukubonile kwi last episode bengeke kube khona. So all what I'm saying is history some that I cannot change, whether sihle noma sibi, but I just cannot change it. I can only rewrite history.
Hayisana umashobane ingathi uthetha from a place of ukuncama, of ungakholelwa ukuthi akhona amadlelo aluhlaza. Lo myeni lo uyabaphula inhliziyo yabo abafazi, still basamile baprotecta lo mtshado ungekhoyo. Hayisana, I fell for uMakhumalo, to be quite honest.